Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today we're going to be building a little backyard fire pit and some miniature s'mores made out of clay. I started with this little thing I bought at the Dollar Tree. I believe it's like a post-it holder. The only problem with it is it has this little opening. So I laid it on some foam board and traced out a little piece to glue in there. I took some baking powder and mixed it with paint to give it almost like a concrete texture. I hate this black paint that I have. It's very thin and you can tell after one coat it looked horrible. While the first coat was drying, I took these little pots I painted when I did the 4th of July porch, and I bought these little mum stickers at Hobby Lobby. All of the Hobby Lobby items I show in this video were 40% off. I took 3 of these little stickers, 1 in each color, and I hot glued them together to create a little arrangement, and then I just stuck it on top of the pot. I didn't glue it down because I want to be able to reuse these later on. I bought these corn husks at Hobby Lobby. I took a few out, bundled them together, and then tied this orange string around the middle. And then I went back through and I kind of ripped them apart a little bit just to make it look like there's more. I made 3 of these little corn husk groups and put them in the back planter area. And then I stuck the 2 mums in between. I also got these white pumpkins and gourds at Hobby Lobby. So I stuck a few of those in the back planter. I've had these little hay bales for a while. I'm not sure where I got them, probably Dollar Store, Dollar General, or Hobby Lobby, but I brought them in. I thought they added a lot of character to the scene. Then I pulled out some of my old pumpkins from last year and put them in the bed with the white ones. I got these little lights at Hobby Lobby. They were $7.99, which is kind of expensive. They were, I think, 25% off, but I just put those in and around the pumpkins in the bed. Now that the fire pit is dry, I set up a little scene with the dolls. I got these little tea light battery operated candles at the Dollar Tree, and I just put one in there, and then thankfully my husband drove me around so I could pick up a few little sticks, and I broke them into small pieces and just kind of piled them on top. I got this little stand at Hobby Lobby, but I thought it was the perfect size for a little end table. These are some more of the little sticks I got, little roasting sticks. Now for the s'mores, I picked out these 3 colors of clay. I started with the light brown one for the graham crackers. Then I rolled it out flat. I kind of cut it into a rectangle shape. And then I measured and cut out the little crackers. Then I came back in with this little, it's a real small dowel rod, and made the little indentions in the cracker. And then I used my little knife and cut them. I got this dark brown rolled out for the chocolate, and I cut it into little rectangles. And then I came back with this small dowel rod and I kind of pressed it into the clay lengthwise, and then I also cutting in the middle. These are the marshmallows that will be on the graham crackers, the s'mores. I made little balls and then I pressed them flat. I wanted some little marshmallows to be on the plate that hadn't been cooked yet, so I rolled them into a ball and then I kind of turned them into a cylinder, and then I stood them up on their end and just kind of pressed down, shrinking them into the size. And then I did take some of those and used this little dowel rod and made a hole in them before I baked them so that they would be able to go on one of the little sticks. After I assembled the s'mores, I took a little hot glue and kind of dripped it down the side to look like the marshmallow was dripping. When the glue dried, I came back in with some white paint and painted over the hot glue that was meant to be the marshmallow dripping down the side. I'm going to take some brown and make it look like it's toasted. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.